TEKA, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing of one water filter that I bought from AliExpress. That's why you can see the box is hampered, damaged little bit. This is a water filter you can put in your water heater, so all the dirt, unusual thing which will stay inside will not destroy your water tanker. Happened to me, my last water tanker have destroyed. Price could be differ, could be 10, 15, 20, depends what you are buying. If you buy in AliExpress, you can buy better price, cheaper. If you buy in Amazon, you will have better quality and better service. So I'm gonna open this pack to show you the product inside. Here we go. Here is the bag. It's quite heavy. The product is stainless steel with the one bag. Let's see. The main product, but we have two washer. This is important to put this washer because this will stop leaking of water. They work really good. So you have to put, never forget this. You can see how is the product, guys. This part is stainless steel, the nut is stainless steel, this one is stainless steel. So one side go here and another side will go out. Lovely. Here this side is plastic. I have to see how I can open this one. It's very tight though, I have to put force to take this out. I am checking this. Okay. Here we go. I'm taking out. Here also you see this is a water filter, guys. This filter everything, obviously in month, 2 months, 6 months you have to check this one. If you more dirt, you have to check regularly. This thing should go here. Here is another rubber, so it will stop leaking of water. Then you close this one. Very good quality premium product, I feel at my hands. Very premium. Lovely. This knot, you see, you can listen the noise of stainless steel. Water go inside, the holes are decent. So this thing will go in here. You have to put and tight. This will go inside here. Other one should be here. Okay. Interesting. Lovely product, guys. Be more closer. You can see how it is. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.